Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Here is a pack we are going to open of 1992 Leaf Baseball Series 1. Not sure who we're looking for in here. Let's see what we get. All right, we got, Jeff Bagwell. There we go. That's cool. Jeff Bagwell. And Scott Cooper. Brett Butler. Greg Myers. Daryl Coach. Checklist. Jeff Russell. Zane Smith. Max Noakes. Matt Noakes, not Max Noakes. Mickey Sesser. Nolan Ryan. Checklist. Hal Morse. Chris Hollis. Steve Sachs. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll be back soon with another video.